Alright guys, so I'm at the gym now. I'm in the staff room. Even though I'm not staff anymore, my staff pin still works because I used to work here. Anyways, literally guys, I have all the shit for 2 days. Like, I'm literally going away for 2 days to Maidenhead for Chen Yang's show. And I basically packed like so much food, like all my meal prep, because I'm cutting still. And then I have a bunch of outfits in this bag that I just threw in there because I don't know what I'm going to wear. I'm really indecisive and I'm going to let Chen Yang help me decide. And yeah, I just trained and I'm about to have my post-workout. I'm going to show you guys like a full day of eating. Basically just like when traveling because yeah, I've never done one of these before. So my pre-workout was the same. This is literally just 2 Weetabix and 20 grams of protein powder and then some stevia to sweeten it up. So as my post-workout, I had the exact same pre-workout meal with my Monster earlier on today. And then I just trained. I actually had a really good session, which I never do. But if you guys are struggling to get good pumps in the gym, I'd highly recommend. I just keep pickles in the fridge in here. So I literally just have like 2 or 3 of these pre-workout. Really high in sodium, really good for a pump. This fridge is so disgusting. Not my fridge, guys. Literally just in the staff room, but yeah. Just pro tip, have a couple pickles before you train because the pump is amazing. So, this is a very weird intro for a vlog, but anyways, I'm gonna eat my post-workout. I just ordered an Uber because I'm gonna Uber to Chen Yang's because there's no way I'm gonna drag all the shit like on the tube. Fuck that. So I'm gonna Uber to Chen Yang's and I will catch you guys later. Hello. So Chen Yang is stripped, shredded. What is she doing?
I'm making my next meal.
Oh, is that ice packs?
Yeah, I've just got chicken.
Oh, okay,
to be
yeah.
fair, chicken last is okay, I think.
But you know, in my email, they said we can put our stuff in the reception fridge.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, I emailed them. They're like, you can keep your stuff in our fridge.
Okay,
so I have yogurt.
Ready. Okay, I'll put this away then. I'll just take one little chili bag.
Yeah, so Chen Yang's got, she has the same like meal bag as me because we're twinning with our meal bags. And
it's really nice. It's really cute for.
It's actually really nice. Dude, your shoulder looks so good in that lighting. Go stand in that lighting again. Like back next to the fridge. There, but more. Oh my god, look at her shoulders. Shit, bro. Shit, bro.
Stairmaster.
The carb is doing the thing. We're fashionably late, by the way.
Actually, to be fair, at 2 p.m. we just have to leave 12:30ish.
It's an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna Uber there. So this is the vibe. Packing all our food, and then we are going to Uber to Maidenhead.
Yeah.
And yeah. Hello. Oh, now you're in focus. So we have arrived to the Holiday Inn Maidenhead. This is the situation. Chen Yang has a big tub of. This is her next meal. She's eating the entire tub of cream of rice.
Sounds 55 kg.
Just a little carb up.
Like, just
a tiny bit. So we have all our bags right here. The room is not ready yet, so we're gonna wait to be like checked into our room. Oh my god, do it. Starbucks is here, which is beautiful because like I literally was googling cafes near this place on the way here because we need our coffee fix, and there was a Greg's, but Greg's is not as elite as Starbucks. So that's the plan. We're gonna just chill here, get some work done. She's gonna go get tan and dark while I jot on my dissertation, and that's the plan. Alright guys, so next meal, literally just, I have this vegan mince. The brand is Vivera. It's actually so good and the macros are really good. I have 200 grams of white potatoes and some green beans and some tahini because I had fats left over, so I have 10 grams of tahini on there. I'm working on my dissertation because when am I not? And Chen Yang's having her next meal as well. So we got told off for eating because apparently we can't eat in the hotel like reception / lobby, and they were like, eat in your room, and I was like, our room isn't ready yet, but whatever, it's fine. I'm not on prep, so I'm not that hungry. So I can wait to have my next meal when we're in our room. I just ordered a coffee instead to kind of wake me up a bit because I'm quite tired and I have a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna get an iced Americano. I have my own almond milk with me. I'm gonna weigh it out and track it because we are still cutting, we are still on track. And that meal I just showed you guys, I'm gonna just have it later and I'll catch you guys after that. Alright, so update. I ate my meal in the reception anyway, even if that bitch told me not to. Also, I ordered an iced Americano and they gave me swamp water. It was disgusting. I didn't even drink it. I spent like £3.60 on that bullshit, but whatever. I'm actually about to make my own coffee because we're in the room right now, as you can see. Hi, Chen Yang.
Hello, guys.
She just got tan, her first coat of tan. She's number 49 tomorrow. Lucky number 49. Can you see your abs? You're backlit. But yeah, so we're just in the room right now. Finally, it's like 4 p.m. I'm making myself an actual drinkable, tasty coffee because I have my own stevia and my own almond milk and my own instant coffee with me. The room is pretty not very large. It's okay. It's just me and Chen Yang. We're two small people. And the plan is just to chill. We both have a lot of like vlog footage to go through and edit, so we're gonna do that. I'm going to have a Misfits protein bar as a snack. I'm gonna have the banoffee one. Yeah, so good. They gifted me a box of it like ages ago and I never have them, but like it's so convenient just when you're like obviously not at home to get like to have a protein bar. Also, we got lucky. We got a room that has a little mini fridge in it, so we're able to put all our meal prep in the fridge and not get food poisoning. So that's the vibe. I'm gonna make my coffee, have my protein bar, edit some footage, and I'll catch you guys at my next proper meal. So as you can see, I'm an extra person and I literally just put some instant coffee into like the Ziploc bag here, and I brought my £4.39 stevia. This is where all my money goes. That's where like my biggest expense is just that stevia. They have paper cups in the room, which is nice. Which is nice. This is my really messy. I'll show you guys like what I packed as well. And then my kettle is just boiling there. Chen Yang's taking a selfie. And this is going down. This is the vibe. Update. Next meal. It's 7:20 already. I had a bag of popcorn. Forgot to show you guys. But I still have 2 more bags of popcorn anyway. So, here, literally same meal as previously, but no tahini in this one because I didn't have any fats left. Literally just the Vivera plant mince, potatoes, green beans. Chen Yang is painting her toenails.
Do you want to see my pretty feet?
We both have like the most beautiful feet in the world. Oh, wow. Guys, DM her for feet pics.
I saw them.
Yeah,
Great.
those are my feet. I have toilet paper in my feet to separate my nails so that
whose nails you like better.
so that the nail polish doesn't like touch my skin. Basically, we're doing this because we're gonna be wearing heels tomorrow, which we never do, because we're gonna be going out, which we never do. So we're like, you know what? Might as well prep our feet for it. So I'm just here enjoying this bro meal, veganized. I'm watching some Renaissance periodization because I was gonna do work on my computer while eating, but it's not focusing. Focus! Focus. I was gonna do work on my computer while eating, but I'm trying to not do that anymore. Yeah. So I always just like watch YouTubers just chill while I eat, and then once I'm done eating that, I'm gonna go and do some more computer. I was gonna say computer on my work. Work on my computer. What's wrong with me today? I can't speak. Anyways, that's the plan. Wait, it's not focused. Now it is. Peace out. Say that again.
I love chicken.
Chicken loves you too. So Chen Yang's eating our last meal of chicken, cream of rice, dark chocolate. I'm gonna have these 2 bags of popcorn. So I've had 3 of these in total. Proper corn, sponsor me please, because I literally spend so much fucking money on your products. And then I have my fat bowl of oats here. This is 50 grams of oats with 20 grams of protein powder, 6 grams of cocoa powder, really random, and then 15 grams of dark chocolate almond butter. So that's gonna be last meal going down, and then we're just gonna chill probably and like just edit. That's how boring we are. It's 8:30, so it's bedtime. Just a chill, edit, and then tomorrow is show day. I'm gonna try and film undercover for Chen Yang on her camera and also on mine before they get taken away. Lol. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. This for your vlog. Alright, so they tan Chen Yang twice again, so we're just darkening her up. Heini is saving the day because she can do makeup unlike us. So yeah, I think it looks a lot better now. Like on camera, yeah, it matches actually so much better. Heini, you look really jacked. Like every stroke, your tricep just pops. Alright guys, so it's the day after Chen Yang's show. I didn't vlog her show because I was too busy being a show mom, but she did so well. I'm so proud of her. We're at like the hotel breakfast thing right now. Chen Yang and Sarah are going nuts over just like fruit and like yogurt, and normal people are looking at them like, what is happening? Why are these girls so excited over a hotel breakfast? I'm not that hungry. It's currently 7:11 a.m. I'm gonna vlog today, do a full day of eating because Dylan has given me an entire day off of tracking. He's given me an intuitive eating day because I asked him if I could because I want to go out and enjoy myself with Chen Yang today. We have brunch booked, dinner booked, so yeah. I'm not very hungry right now though, so I'm just gonna have a coffee right here that I made with my own instant coffee, my own stevia, and then in the gas station, like right next to the hotel, I found these wafers that I'd never seen before in my life. So I found these, and they're actually vegan. So I was like, you know what? It's an intuitive eating day. I want to dunk something into my coffee, so I figured why not. It's so backlit here, guys. Sorry for the shitty lighting. Yeah, so I just want to dunk something into my coffee, so I got these. So I'm gonna have a couple of these, and then I'll just wait till brunch to eat because I'm not that hungry right now. And yeah. So Chen Yang's vlogging as well. This is the situation. I just have my coffee here. They've gotten, it's not focusing. So they got all their goodies from the breakfast thing.
Pain au chocolat.
It's just funny how you pronounce it. And then I just left these in the middle if anyone wants them. And then yeah, Sarah's got her fruit, her croissant. And this is the vibe this morning. So we have made it back to, you're still blurry. Okay, now you're not blurry.
Welcome to CZ.Fit's home. It was a what, 2.5 hour drive?
No, 1.5.
We left at 9:30.
Yeah, and it's 11.
Oh, 1.5. Time goes slowly when you both need a pee really badly.
This is true. But yeah, I showed you guys our little breakfast fun. It was so good. And then I just had like some protein in the car because I needed protein because gains. And then these are some of the vegan donuts that the girls had yesterday. Yesterday I was on plan, so I didn't try these. I'm gonna have a little bit of each one and do a little taste test. But yeah, they're all vegan. There's a Jammy Dodger one, Oreo one, Biscoff, and glazed. These are as big as donut time. They're not even bigger. I'm impressed, yeah. So this is just like before we get ready for brunch. Just gonna try these. I don't want to use my, I want to just like cut a piece. I don't want to use my hand. It's quite messy.
That's true. This is the pre-brunch snack.
Pre-brunch snack. I mean, I'm starving, so.
Yeah, fair, you haven't had anything.
I had literally protein powder today. So, let's try the Oreo. I've never had a vegan Oreo donut. Oh wow, they're very like hard because they were in the fridge.
It's nice inside.
So just cutting that up. I hope I got some of the inside. So we have some of the vegan Oreo. Where is this from? What's it called?
Planet Donut.
Planet Donut. So let's try.
Hey guys, so we are back home now. So that's like 1 hour.
My intuition is telling me that my body needs donuts.
Yeah. To be fair, whose intuition says no to donuts, right?
Yeah. Oh, the Biscoff one has filling. Now we're talking.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, I think
this is the Biscoff one.
Is that Biscoff or is that salted caramel Biscoff?
Salted caramel Biscoff, I think. It has Lotus biscuits on it.
Yeah. Yeah, she's just trying all the donuts out. Good? She's a Biscoff queen.
It's dense. It doesn't taste, that's caramel filling.
Yeah, I think
not Biscoff spread.
Maybe. Yeah, I don't know.
That's good. I prefer donut time.
Really?
Yeah, I'm always, even though I don't work there anymore, I prefer donut time. But these aren't bad. Overall, like 7. So yeah, I'm gonna...
You try the glaze.
Oh, not yet. I'll try the glaze. We're gonna get ready for brunch, and I'll catch you guys at brunch. Right, so as you guys can tell, I put myself together, wore some normal clothes, fixed my face, and Chen Yang and Heini have this like 5 kilos. This is 5 kilos. No, 1.6 kilo jar of Biscoff, because we really want to add Biscoff to our pancakes when we go to brunch. I'm literally about to spoon a bunch of this into a Tupperware, and we're going to bring the Tupperware with us to brunch, because that's how extra we are. So, Yeah. Biscoff is probably my favorite topping ever on anything. On pancakes, on oats, on waffles, on basically anything. Hi, Chanyang. We're both wearing our summer dresses because it's finally summer-ish in London. The sun's finally come out, so yeah, we thought we would like kind of dress the part. Is this enough?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. She's eating berries out of the freezer, guys. That's how much she misses her berries. Wow, my bra's poking through. My distraction. So we are where the pancakes are. Chanyang looks jacked as shit. Yeah, you look really jacked. It's such a cute place, like greenhouse vibes, and we're just waiting to order our food. They have vegan pancakes. I'm not sure what toppings I'm gonna get, but definitely gonna go for some vegan pancakes. So we have, these are just 2 vegan pancakes, powdered sugar, vegan cream, which I've never really had before, and some maple syrup. I have an oat milk latte. Chanyang has a beautiful stack of pancakes with pineapple, coconut, and the same like sides as me. I think there's different like sauce. I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is, but it should be good.
She got grapefruit juice because I don't know how she likes.
I love grapefruit. We have a grapefruit tree at home.
Really?
And we would always have one every morning. It was ritual. Guys, this is where the goodies are. Can't even see. We have biscuit.
Chanyang's whipping out the biscuit. You have a crazy vein.
Where?
In your other arm. Biscoff goods.
We have the biscuit.
Alright, so we're walking back home. We've acquired some snacks. I found this Rhythm 108 vegan creamy coconut. I've heard really good things about this. Apparently it's like a vegan bounty, so I'm going to be doing a taste test. And we have some Pringles, just for like a pre-workout snack. Anything that has sodium is great to get a good pump when you're training, so Pringles are great. And then we're just walking home now. Chanyang has her lentil chips. Hi, Chanyang.
Hi.
Lentil chips.
I couldn't decide, but I got lentil chips.
Yeah, it took her a minute to decide.
I got excited.
But here we are. So, alright guys, it's very hard for me to film holding all these snacks. I have like my Pringles between my bicep and my chest. And I'm going to try this right now. Hi, Chanyang.
Hi.
Good? Okay. This is actually life-changing.
Really?
Oh my god.
Coconut.
This tastes like Bounty, but better texture. That's a 10.
Coconut milk.
10 out of 10. taking photos of our glute ham tie-ins at the gym. Whoa, I can see it on camera. Dang! Holy shit, Chen Yang! Oh my god. YouTube is gonna demonetize this video. We're at the gym, by the way, guys. Like, people are watching us do this. Alright guys, this is post leg day. I don't want the whole bar just because I don't like having like fats post workout because it just kind of slows down the absorption of everything, but I want to try this. They were selling them at the gym. This is the Misfits plant-based chocolate brownie. Yeah, it's got like 9 grams. So I'm just gonna try this because I want to try it. And then I'm gonna have my proper post-workout when we get back to Chenyang's. So mandatory post-workout carbs and protein, very important. So we have, I don't know how many grams of cream of rice. I don't know how many grams of protein powder because I'm not tracking anything today, but I just need some carbs and protein post-workout. My legs are like literally fucked, so this is gonna be great. This is the, what brand is this called? Pit Stop Nutrition.
Sports Nutrition.
Cream of rice. This is the birthday cake flavor, and then I'm using some PhD plant Belgian chocolate protein powder in there. I'm gonna have this. Looks like a pretty big bowl. I want to save some space in my stomach for dinner, to be honest, but this is gonna go down. We're gonna get ready for dinner, and then I will catch you guys at the next meal. Alright, so as you guys can tell, I don't look like a piece of shit anymore. I put on another dress. 2 different dresses in one day. That is actually an accomplishment for me, but I haven't worn this dress in a few years. Last time I wore it, I was a lot smaller. It's quite stretchy though, so I do fit into it. Like, it's quite loose around my waist as well. It's always like that. Like, it's always tight around my bum and then really loose around my waist. But I guess you could say it's a good problem to have. Anyways, so right now we are just going to head to Pergola on the Wharf. It's just this really nice restaurant in Canary Wharf. We're gonna go and just literally eat and enjoy. And something really weird, guys, I wanted to just kind of touch on this during this vlog because it's just really strange. It's never happened to me before. So yesterday I didn't vlog, but I was on plan and I was eating like my meal prep and everything. And we were at like this restaurant after the show at like 9 p.m., 10 p.m. with all the competitors on LRF and Millie as well. Really funny, we were sat like next to the head judge, like literally he was sat down right next to me. I was like, hi Paul Crook. Yeah, no, it was actually really nice. So like I had my Tupperware with me, right? And like I had 250 grams of potatoes, I had green beans, and I had vegan mince. And I had that meal, then I had another meal to have when we got back into the room, right? I could not stomach that meal. Like it took me 30 minutes to eat that Tupperware, like to finish that Tupperware, and I was like, why am I not hungry? We get back to like the room at 11:30 p.m. and I'm like, I'm very tempted to skip my last meal, which was literally just protein oats. I was like, you know what? And I was like, you know what, pros don't skip meals. If I want to be a pro, I'm gonna act like one. So I just literally shoveled down a bowl of oats. I never thought I'd taste, but like it was just, they tasted good. The taste was fine. It was just, I wasn't hungry. Like I was like, I don't want to eat this.
So weird.
But I ate it, and then I woke up this morning feeling still pretty like full. So I didn't really properly have breakfast because it was quite early. You guys saw everything I had today, and then that bowl of cream of rice and protein powder that I showed you like post workout, I ate half of it.
She's a pussy.
I'm a pussy. I don't know what's wrong with me today.
She doesn't want gains.
I don't know what's wrong with me today, but like I'm genuinely just like not. Like I think because it tasted bland.
Yeah.
Like when the food tastes good, I'll eat it. But like when it's bland, I'm like, I don't want to eat this. So.
I think that's also kind of nice in terms of like intuitive eating days that you actually are intuitively eating.
That's so true.
Because I think as a bodybuilder,
Yeah.
like you don't actually, you kind of force yourself not to intuitively eat. Like
Exactly,
when you're in
yeah.
bulking season, it gets to a point where it's uncomfortable, but you have to eat it still. And then obviously on prep, you're not intuitively eating, you're fucking starving and you just can't eat. So I think it's nice that the fact you have these days where it's like, okay, today I actually am not hungry. And people get those days. Like
That's
sometimes
the
gym
thing.
top, like
Yeah,
your clients will be
normal
like, I wasn't
people.
hungry.
And I'm
you're
like,
well,
what?
fair enough, I guess.
Yeah, but the thing is, this has never happened to me before. Like
Yeah.
even when I was bulking, like I could still eat more.
Yeah.
This is the first time where I'm like,
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope I go back to normal soon. Anyways, I'm not gonna bring my camera, but I'm gonna probably just take some pictures of the food with my phone and just show you guys some photos. I'm checking in with Dylan tomorrow morning. after this full day of eating. It's gonna be interesting to see.
To be fair, your weight will probably drop.
It'll probably drop because I'm not stressed out today. I'm very much like, so I'm not stressed out. Hi, Heine's here. But yeah, so I'm gonna check in tomorrow morning. I'll show you guys that and like an update when Dylan gets back to me, and that'll be MINICUT week 8 done. It's been 8 weeks.
That's sprinting really fast.
Yeah, exactly. But anyways, we're getting a calf pump now because we're wearing our heels, so we're gonna go, and we will catch you guys later. Go subscribe to this girl's channel. Her entire show day vlog is gonna be up there, so go support her. Go drop her videos, like and subscribe to her channel, and I will catch you guys at dinner. Yeah. Alright guys, so long overdue update. I literally can't even remember when the last time I updated this vlog was. I think it was Monday. Yeah, Monday when I was with Chen Yang and I had that intuitive eating day where I didn't have to track any of my food. We went out, we had so much fun. It was a bit strange in the sense that I was very full very easily, wasn't very hungry. Yeah, very strange, but I was able to go out, eat mindfully, enjoy myself like you guys saw in those few clips that I posted of all the food we had at dinner. It was so much fun. We got dressed up, you know, we took photos. It was so much fun. The next day my weight stayed at 58.5, so a pretty big drop. And Dylan was like, you know, this is great, like the intuitive eating day, like the probably surplus of calories did me well. He went ahead and decreased my carbs by 20 grams. So I'm on 190 carb now. So 190 carb, 50 fat, 150 protein, which is about 1,800 calories a day. And I'm still doing my 15,000 steps per day. And then he increased my cardio to 45 minutes 5 times a week on the elliptical. That does not count towards my steps. So I count my steps on my phone. And when I'm doing my cardio, my phone's just on the elliptical. So it doesn't count any extra steps from cardio. So yeah, not gonna lie, these past couple days have been the first couple days where I feel a bit like tired, and you guys might think like, oh, you're eating 1,800 calories. Yeah, but I'm doing a lot of cardio and being very active because I prefer it that way. I prefer having more food but also moving my body more. But I've kind of started to feel the fatigue kick in and just the hunger, but like not crazy hunger, it's a little bit of hunger kick in. So yeah, that's MINICUT week 8 done. And that being said, it's not really MINICUT anymore because we're going to keep going. We want to get me quite lean, not quite lean, but a bit leaner, just so we have more room to grow after, because we don't want to overdo it with the body fat. Prep should start in February or March 2022, so we got time, but we have a lot of time to grow, and that's kind of stressing me out because I don't want to put on a lot of body fat. So we'll see, but so far so good. This is the update for you guys. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what kinds of videos or what aspects of this whole thing you want to see me kind of talk about next. And yeah, until next time. Bye guys!